Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'll be checking out Insta360's latest action cam. This is the Insta360 X5 and it's an 8K action cam. You might know these cameras from the selfie stick that basically disappears, making it look like a drone, and that is exactly what this camera does. Now I am so excited to check this guy out, and we will be unboxing, setting it up and trying it out together, and definitely do stay tuned after the intro. And let's get right into it. So our X5 is here brand new with a dual 8K 360 sensor that has a much bigger size, as well as our triple AI chip for superior low light, and of course our favorite features such as the invisible selfie stick effect that makes it look like it's floating, as well as a flow state stabilization which has the 360 degrees horizon lock, which I think is just a super awesome feature. We've also got some really cool new features such as wind guard for clearer audio, it's waterproof up to 15 meters, and the app has some new AI capabilities for editing and also automatic backup. And inside the box we have a little accessories pouch, and this is super cool because this will be a nice little pouch to keep your X5 in. In that pouch we have a little cleaning cloth as well as a USB-C to C cable with Insta360 branding, as well as a nice microfiber cleaning cloth which will come in super useful for cleaning those lenses. Then we've got some cleaning stickers for cleaning the microphone, some stickers themselves, a warranty card, and a very useful quick start guide that briefly goes over how to set up the camera and use all the different buttons on it. And speaking of the camera, wow, here we'd have it, and this thing feels like quality. Everything is super nicely made. So let's just get a little peel in. And with those peels removed, we can already take a look at our amazing new 360 lenses with that large sensor. Now, setting everything up, I'd say let's just get right into it and give the setup a go. What we'll need to set it up is a memory card, and here we have a 512 gig SD card from Insta360 which has all the required specs for fast video recording. How to install it is also super easy. We'll of course need our X5, and there are these two little latches that we can squeeze together, which will just pop out the battery here. It's spring loaded, so don't worry, and we can then just slot in our SD card in its little tray here in the camera and then insert our battery again. This is also super important to make sure everything clicks into place, because only then the camera is really waterproof. And yeah, you can then basically see if everything's flush and clicked in, and we're ready to go. On the other side of the camera we've got our power and quick action button that can be programmed to what you want, and also we have our USB-C port here for connecting the data cable or for charging the camera. Now let's get it powered on, and I think we can get started and set up the app that is connected with the Insta360 camera and get a first look and feel how the software works. The setup process of the camera is super easy. Basically you open the app and follow the on-screen steps. It's sort of a little bit like setting up AirPods if you have an iPhone, and it's just super nice because it just works super quickly. And we're already ready, and we can start recording our first film and trying out the camera's features. Alright, so now I'm filming myself using the Insta360 X5, and this is honestly really wild. So if you've never used a 360 camera, it's basically capturing everything around the camera, so it doesn't really matter how or where I hold the camera or where I'm pointing it at. So for example here, if I just bring it to my desk and we can take a look at my phone, we can see the live preview of the footage being recorded. I'm going to show that to the camera here, and if I just basically turn around the software, and it will automatically reframe myself using the Insta360 app. I'm honestly so impressed. Like, I've never ever seen anything this cool before, working this well, and wow, this is honestly the craziest thing I think I've ever seen. So I can pick up my phone, hold it in front, I can see the live preview, and with all of that set up, I think now we're ready to go and test this thing out in the real world. Alright, and I just wanted to take a quick another moment to talk about the X5 camera. So first of all, starting things off with this little pouch that it comes with. I absolutely love it, how compact it keeps everything. In this pouch, what you can basically do is zip it up and keep everything nice and organized. So I've got the Insta360 X5 in here, so we've got our camera. Also, what else I have in here is the USB-C to C cable, as well as the little microfiber cleaning cloth. So the case, absolutely love it. I love that it comes with it. So yeah, really cool first accessory to include with the camera. And speaking of the camera itself, I've been so impressed with what it can do. And that's not even the video quality. So the first thing that blew me away was the audio quality. So I was just doing some test recordings and basically speaking into it, holding it around, and wow, I was so impressed how good this audio sounds. Then coming to the video quality, what is happening here? Like, it is so good. I think this beats pretty much any small camera that I have for filming things, so definitely do stay tuned because I'll be doing a lot more content with this. I've got some really cool videos planned that I think you would really love, so make sure to hit that subscribe button somewhere below there. And yeah, I think without further ado, I'd say let's go over to the outro of the video and I will see you there. Alright, and now we're recording here on our Insta360 X5, and I just wanted to record this outro bit to give you a little bit of an idea how the audio quality and video quality feels like, as well as let you know that definitely do subscribe for more videos like this, because I'll be covering a bunch more videos on the X5 and covering, for example, accessories, doing some video tests and so much more. So if that interests you, make sure to hit that subscribe button somewhere below and definitely do stay tuned for those. Also, let me know if you have any ideas or suggestions of things you'd like to see me cover. I'd be very happy to hear your comments, and also I'll try my best to check them out and try and do them for you. And with that said, I would like to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.